forgot to
very
record,
good.
Dave.
I have a dead
Can you do
rabbit.
it again?
You forgot to record.
Forgot to record.
Where do you want me to go from?
Start again.
Northern Lights. Right
Northern
from the
Lights.
beginning.
There's the
All way back.
Northern Lights.
Hello everyone in the motherland. Another first. 3 of us snow flying near the Arctic Circle. We have the caribou in the hedges. We made a hole in the ice, so we're fishing for our tea. I'm wearing a dead rabbit on my head.
See the Northern Lights.
The Northern Lights. We're on our way to
Mr.
Christ.
Rabbit.
It is a great fun because you say that the patch is too small. With the snow, you can land anywhere. It's good, especially if you're Italian.
What else would you want to do on a Sunday evening?
It's bloody great.
Still coming down well.
You have to
look.
drive through 10 inches of snow onto a field and then drink instant coffee out of a flask, and it's about probably -1 degree.
And how much does it cost you?
If you count the 4-wheel drive vehicle, about 20,
So it's 150 quid
£25,000.
for the Tundra with floats.
£150 for the Tundra.
25 grand for the 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, so yeah,
Looking
but
at about-
basically,
So, bit expensive.
bit
About
expensive, but it's
£5,000
worth
of
it.
flight so far, but-
Yeah, worth it. The snow taxiing's worth it alone. The sport
Over
of
and out.
Snow taxiing. Goodbye, everyone.